All right, we got a new laptop and we bought these laptop skins, but we looked for a video that would help us do it and we couldn't find one, so we're gonna make one to help you out. So we have the laptop, we turned it upside down onto the skin. All right, and we're just gonna draw it out. All right, so we have it drawn out. Now we're gonna cut this out and then stick it right on there. While she's cutting it out, I'll show you. We got these computers. Nothing wrong with them, but all right, we got that cut out. We clean the top of the laptop with the alcohol wipe. Just cleaned it off. Probably don't have to use alcohol, but you know. All right. We kind of just did the skin to the top and not wrapped it around the edges. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad, but we were thinking if you wrapped it around the edges, it would maybe catch. It still might catch right here, but we'll see. Feel pretty sticky? I'd say, try to line it up the best you can. If it's too much on one side, you can get a little razor blade and shave it down, but looks like it's, from a distance, looks pretty good. These edges are down pretty good. All right, open it up. It also comes with these. I think these you kind of put right here in this little area. Mm-hmm. All right, so now, if you can see, it kind of goes down right here. So I guess you could put it and let it go down that groove. I think it's gonna stay all right. Just go up to it, kind of close. Probably gonna have to cut off this end a little bit on this side to make it. I'd say you don't want it sticking out any, because then it'll catch. So. All right, so there's already lines on the back. So how about we just come to that line right there, and we'll just cut down that line on both of them. Yes. So then we'll be able to slide it up just a little, so we can have just a little bit of space on each side. All right, so we got that end cut, but then now we're a little bit long, so we just need to find a happy medium. Where to cut it off? Yeah, right there on that line. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, so now I guess you could round these ends if you wanted to make it look round, or oh yeah, round that end right there is kind of sticking out. All right. All right, I'll start on the other side. All right, we'll cut that same one at the bottom so they'll be same height on both sides. Yeah, looks good. Bring it back a little to that one line and then. Okay. All right, so we got the other side cut. Cut the little edge, and you can get creative with these. You could cut out your initial, like a big block letter, or make them round or heart shape, whatever you like. All right, since we got it's all stuck on there pretty good. You see how we cut the edges? Cut the edges here. Let's close that. See, I mean, it might catch later on, but it looks like it's pretty good. So, what ideas did I have? Coming down a little bit more, but it looks like I think it turned out to be perfect. I like it. All right, so we had a little bit of scrap left over. You could cut you a little piece to go across here if you'd like. But I think we're gonna leave it just like that. All right, so we got this off Amazon. It just says laptop skin. We just got a generic size. You saw that it was quite a bit bigger than ours, but I think it's made to cut for whatever size. But you could use this for laptops or anything that you want to put a skin on. So, hope you enjoy.